Hi, and welcome to the unboxing of the Wanhao Duplicator i3 Mini. First out of the box is the instruction manual. Some sample filament and a spare build plate mat. Now let's see what's in the rest of the box. A box of accessories. We'll have a look to see what's in there later. The printer itself is actually quite heavy. Now let's see what's inside the accessories box. The mains lead, a build plate spatula, a bed leveling card, the spool holder, USB cable, a pack of tools, one GB micro SD card, a nozzle cleaning drill, and finally an extruder cleaning rod. Flipping through the manual, it's really good quality, far better than I've seen from other Far East manufacturers. Lastly, we need to remove the cable ties that have been holding the build plate and the extruder arm during transit. As we can see, the i3 Mini is very similar to the Malian M200 or Monoprice Select Mini. Let's take a closer look. The i3 Mini is of solid construction with a thick metal case, which probably accounts for it being quite heavy. It also has a nice reverse backlit LCD display. Thank you for watching, and check out the links below for where to purchase the Wanhao Duplicator i3 Mini.